September 2, 1977. In a bid to strengthen interparliamentary cooperation in the region, the statutes for the creation of the AIPA, or ASEAN Interparliamentary Organization, were signed. Forged by parliamentary delegations from each of the 5 ASEAN founding member countries at a 3rd ASEAN Parliamentary meeting in Manila, AIPO, later known as the ASEAN Interparliamentary Assembly, or AIPA, is listed in the ASEAN Charter as one of the entities associated with ASEAN. Promoting solidarity, understanding, cooperation, and close relations among parliaments of the ASEAN member countries, and to facilitate the achievement of the goals of ASEAN. Celebrate ASEAN, 50 years of building. One vision, one identity, one community.